Hello everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry for class 10th. Let's continue. Question number 7th is find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1 4. You are given a circle in which AB is the diameter. Okay, and center is given to be 2 minus 3 and B point is your 1 4 and you want to find out coordinates of point A. Okay, so let the coordinates of point A be x y. Okay, and now you know using midpoint formula that is x is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is your y1 plus y2 upon 2. So use this. So it will be x plus 1 upon 2 is 2 and minus 3 is y plus 4 upon 2. So it will be 4 is x plus 1 or you can say x is 4 minus 1 or it is 3. It is minus 6 equals y plus 4 or you can say y is minus 6 minus 4, y equals to minus 10. So the coordinates of point A is 3 and minus 10. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Now come to question number 8. If A and B are minus 2 and 2 minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equals 3 by 7th of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay. Now here the coordinates of, you are given a line that is a line segment AB is given. Okay, a line segment AB is given and the coordinates of point A, it is minus 2 and B is your 2 minus 4. Okay, now they are saying there is a point AP. Okay, let this point be P and AP is your 3 by 7th of AB. Means this portion is your 3 by 7th of AB. Okay, now you are given coordinates of point A and B are minus 2 and 2 minus 4. Okay, and AP is given to be 3 by 7 times AB. Okay, and now you can say PB. What about PB? You can say PB equals AB minus AP. Yes, this distance PB is AB minus AP. So you can write AB minus AP is given to be 3 by 7 AB. So write over here. So it will be, take the LCM, so it will be 7AB minus 3AB upon 7. This is your PB. Or you can say PB is 4AB upon 7. Yes. Or you can say PB upon AB Now take this equation, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now here dividing equation 1 and equation 2, what you will be getting? AP upon PB equals 3 by 7 AB upon 4 by 7 AB. So you can cancel AB from here, and what is left? 7 will be cancelled, so it is 3 upon 4. Okay, 3 is to 4. So AP is to PB is in the ratio 3 is to 4. So now here so first draw the line segment. It was your minus 2 and it was your 2 minus 4. Okay, and here it came, the ratio was 3 is to 4. It was A, P and B. So we got AP upon PB is your 3 upon 4, 3 is to 4 ratio. Okay, and this point is your XY. Now we want to find out the point P. Okay, now using section formula, if you know the ratio, you are having 2 points, you can calculate by section formula. What was the section formula? That was X is your mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So you can say x is, m is your, it is in the ratio 3 is to 4. Yes, so it will be 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So x is 6 minus 8 upon 7, or you can say x is minus 2 upon 7. And here do it, y is your 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So y is minus 12 minus 8 upon 7, or you can say it is minus 20 upon 7. So the coordinates of point P is minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. So in this way you can solve it. It is very easy, and if there is any problem in any step, then you can write in the comment section. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.